Next, let's create the WriteReviewServlet class to handle the request sent to the server when the customer clicks the button Write a Customer Review here. We create a new JavaServlet class under the package. We need to create a new package here. com.bookstore.controller.frontend.review. Finish, and new JavaServlet class in this package. The name of the servlet class is let's see, WriteReviewServlet. WriteReviewServlet. Next, and edit the URL mapping is /write_review. Okay, and next we implement only the do-get method, so uncheck to post. Finish. We have the generated code of the servlet class here.